Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing money in your account, all made by AI while you slept. Sounds crazy? It's not. AI is already making people thousands of dollars, and today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. But here's the problem. Most people are missing out because they don't know where to start. In this video, I'll break it down step by step with real AI tools you can start using right now. I'm Ethan Carter, your digital guide from the AI Moneyverse team. Welcome to our channel. Here we'll explore the smartest ways to make money online using AI. If you're ready to use AI to create wealth, make sure to subscribe. Now, let's dive in. Why AI is the biggest money-making opportunity of 2025. AI is not the future, it's happening right now. Companies are replacing jobs with AI, but smart people are using AI to create new income streams instead. Which side do you want to be on? By 2026, the AI industry is projected to be worth $2.5 trillion. The question is, how much of that will be in your pocket? Okay, so let's break down the best ways to start making money with AI today. 5 best ways to make money with AI. Number 1. AI-powered freelancing. The easiest way to start. Did you know AI can do the hard work for you and help you sell services on Fiverr or Upwork? Tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, and 11 Labs for voiceovers make it effortless. People are charging $50 to $500 for AI-generated content. That could be you. Number 2. YouTube automation with AI. Make money without showing your face. AI can write your scripts, generate videos, and even do the voiceover. Tools like Pika Labs for AI videos, 11 Labs for AI voices, and Canva for thumbnails make it simple. AI-generated YouTube channels are making over $10,000 per month. Number 3. Selling AI-generated art and digital products. Use AI to create and sell digital art, ebooks, or even AI-generated business logos. Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Gumroad help you turn AI creativity into real income. People are making $500 to $5,000 per month selling AI-generated assets. Number 4. AI-powered blogging and affiliate marketing. AI can write blog posts that make passive income from ads and affiliate links. Use tools like ChatGPT and Surfer SEO to rank on Google. People are earning thousands per month just from AI-generated content. Number 5. AI-powered business automation. Make money while you sleep. Use AI to create chatbots, automate customer support, or start a virtual assistant business. Tools like Zapier, ManyChat, and Claude AI make it possible. AI-powered businesses are generating 6-figure passive incomes. So, how to get started your AI money plan? Step 1. Pick one AI income stream from this list. Don't try everything at once. Step 2. Use free AI tools first to test and build your skills. Step 3. Start offering services or creating content to make your first dollar. And Step 4. Scale using automation and reinvest your earnings. Want me to make a full tutorial on any of these methods? Comment below and let me know. And now it's time for promised bonus. Free AI tool you can use right now. Let me introduce you to Kittl, an AI-powered graphic design platform that's about to become your new best friend. Why Kittl? No design experience needed. Thousands of ready-to-use templates, AI-powered design assistants, plus tons of incredible features waiting for you to explore. So join millions of creators worldwide using Kittl. Visit www.kittl.com and start your AI-powered money-making journey today. Okay, so to quickly recap the 5 AI-powered income strategies we covered. Number 1. AI freelancing. Earn with high-demand AI skills. Number 2. YouTube automation. Build a passive YouTube income stream. Number 3. AI art and digital products. Create and sell digital products using AI tools. Number 4. AI blogging and affiliate marketing. Generate income through content and affiliate links. And last but not the least, Number 5. Business automation. Implement AI tools to automate your business and maximize profits. The future of earning online is AI. And now, it's your turn. Which AI money-making method are you most excited about? Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we drop game-changing content every single week. We're just getting started on this AI money adventure with you. So let's grow together and make technology work for us. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep crushing it.